top 5 reasons why you need to replace your garage doors this summer. Hello Nashville, my name is Dan Watkins. I'm owner of All Four Seasons Garage Doors. And today I want to talk about the top 5 reasons why you need to replace your garage doors this summer. Number 1 is energy efficiency, okay? It's hot. A lot of people say, why do I need to get an energy efficient garage door? I live in Nashville. It really doesn't get that cold, but it does get very hot. And actually the times where energy efficiency matters the most is in the summertime. You don't want your HVAC unit running all day long. The way to do that is to close up the biggest opening in your home with an energy efficient garage door. Energy have never cost more money than it does to us right now. And you need to start saving that money right away. Number 2 is the curb appeal of your home. Your garage door can take up to a third of your home space. What people see from the road. If you don't have a good looking garage door, it's going to be hard to make your entire home look beautiful. So replace it this summer, start getting that curb appeal, start making your neighbors jealous of your new garage door. Number 3 is climate control inside the home. Whether it's winter or summer, you probably have those rooms that are cold or they're hot, depending on the season. Could be above the garage, it could be next to it, but you're absolutely reaping the benefits with an energy efficient garage door. You're gonna control that climate better in the home. You're also going to get the best return on investment of anything you can do in the home. And that makes you feel good about spending those dollars around the house. When you know that when you sell that home, you will have saved so much money on energy. And then also with the improved look in the house, you're gonna get a little bit more money for the home as well. And putting that money back in your pocket makes you feel good. The final thing is security, right? Everybody wants to feel more secure. Well, again, you got very big openings in the home with the garage door. That is an entry point for a criminal to get into your home. Whether you're at home or you're gone, you want to keep that house safe. We can do that with steel doors, steel on both sides, the right locking mechanisms, and a good installation. So Nashville, today's the day. Give All Four Seasons a call and let us take care of you and get you that new beautiful garage door you've always wanted.